Hi everyone, this is Paul Cooper with Totes and Notes. I'm bringing you another Note Nugget in a minute. And on this episode, we're going to discuss net operating income, or NOI. Net operating income is a calculation used to analyze the profitability of generally some type of income producing real estate or cash flow. NOI equals all the revenue from the property minus all the usual reasonable expenses, and it is a before tax figure, so it does not include taxes. NOI is also calculated before you pay any type of principal and interest payment or other types of capital expenditures or depreciation or amortization. In a lot of other industries, it would be called EBIT, which is EBIT, and stands for earnings before interest and taxes. And so this is just a good way, quick number to find out how much cash flow a certain asset should be producing each year on average. And then you can use this number for other types of calculations to determine profitability. But anyways, that's what NOI is, or net operating income. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll be bringing more videos to you soon.